Hey guys, what's going on? It's Caleb with Pops and Gaming, and you can see the month is November 2nd, and I went ahead and did one field of corn, which today's video is going to be about, just going to be harvesting corn. Now you will see that my gravity wagons are mismatched. That's because one broke, that one. The axle broke, so we're gonna get in the 4440, and I'm gonna go bring it to the other field, and Daniel is gonna be helping me with harvesting. So he's gonna bring the combine over to our lower field, which is by the end of the pasture. So we'll pull up to our field here, and if you notice on my money, it's at 30,000, and that's because I recently made a purchase, and it's gonna be used up. Alright, Daniel is going to go grab the thing I bought, and the thing I bought, it's gonna help us with harvest, but also hopefully I can make my money back. Alright, I got the corn header on a header trailer. It's hooked up to the combine. So I put the picture on myself, so I don't really trust it that much. But hopefully we can get there without it snapping. That's at least what I'm hoping. So we're pulling to the cornfield, and you can see, yeah, that I'm not really gonna financially recover from this. Alright. Oh, what am I doing? Alright, so this is a 1977 Freightliner, or I don't know if it's a Freightliner or a Peterbilt, because I didn't really study for what it's gonna look like. So it's pretty nice. The guy who I bought it from gave me a good deal. The truck was $120,000, and the trailer, well, I had to order it, and the trailer itself was $60,000. I don't know why, but it's just the newest trailer they had, so I thought, why not? Daniel, I cannot see over the corn, but he is going harvesting. So now I'm gonna have to walk back to the farm and grab the truck. Why are there so many walks? So I got back to the farm and I got the truck, I just didn't hit a tree. So now I need to go to the bale depot, because I bought a load of square hay bales. I don't have the equipment to make my own bales yet. Well, I have a baler for straw bales, but that's it. So I have to run and grab those bales real quick. Oh, and by the way, I put some equipment on the front of the implement to make it look more realistic. It wasn't really looking realistic. And the orange service truck is Daniel's, by the way. I don't own it. Alright, going up to the bale depot, and they already have a trailer loaded. And then here's the thing as well. The bale trailer is now mine. It was getting old for them, so they sold it to me. And I thought, heck, why not? Alright, got that hooked up. And, I'm seeing those cows over there. I'm thinking it's almost time to sell. Alright, back to the farm we go. Already got back to the farm. Now we're just gonna back this up slowly so I can grab the tractor and put them in the barn. Okay, now we just gotta don't want to tip bales over. This is what I don't like about this. I don't have a square bale spear, but I only have a round bale spear, so that's not Oh. Ooh. Make it work. Ooh. Why do I even try? And this fuel is done. So we have one full tank of grain in the semi, and we have about half a tank of, I don't know why I'm saying tank, I'm just gonna say hopper of the combine grain. So we have the field by the feedlot and field 8 on the top left to go. Hopefully I can get about 2,500. Alright, now last stack. Last square bale stack, if I can even. If I can. Really? Okay, there we go. It's not the best. Let's dump the. Even though this is bad, it still looks really cool. Just gonna lift it, hope they don't crush me. Yeah, that's gonna be crushed. Down. Oh, shoot. Well, that's cool. So I really like this semi. It's nice, it's fast, faster than the tractor. And the grain trailer holds two times more than a gravity wagon that I use. And Daniel is full up here, so I'm gonna have to. Daniel does not know how to. Well, we'll figure this out. Alright, so I'm just backing up the bale trailer, and then I remembered my two smaller cornfields by the feedlot. I'm not gonna be harvesting those with the combine. Those are gonna get harvested with one of those pull behind choppers, which I'm gonna be selling the chopped corn I get to the dairy farm owner, because yeah. But I did not buy the chopper. I'm renting it. I'm also renting a 4020 with it. So it's a 4020, so I know it's gonna be reliable. And this is the tractor we're renting. Oh, my bad, it's actually a 3010. Another one of my most liked tractors. So this is a 2-row, I believe. Oh, it's a 3-row. So this is a 3-row. So tomorrow, look at it, because it's 8:30, basically 8:30. We're gonna be doing this tomorrow. So hopefully we can get that in. It's home drive home, and see you guys tomorrow. And good morning. So it is snowing currently, so I want to get this done quick in case I get snowed out. So the silage that I'm going to be going to farmer that's, oh man, I need to fix that. Anyway, all this silage is going to the dairy farmer that lives over there, and yeah, hopefully we can make, I don't know, a couple $1,000. Alright, it was getting really cold out, so I went back to the dealership and rented their case 1056, or 1066 actually. And I don't regret the decision. This thing is nice. To be honest, I may buy one of these if our 40-20 for speed live. Well, this speed live doesn't work out, but I like it. Very nice tracker. Alright, let's ran back here, and the dairy farmer said that he's gonna finish up the chopping. It's gonna be his silage, and we have our first grain load. So we're gonna see how much this runs up, and then if we should sell the semi, I don't know. We made $100,000 on the dot. And I'm excited to see what the other coin is like. Well, the man once said all good things come to an end. Like the video. So, if you guys do me a favor and like and subscribe, it's gonna help out the channel, and hopefully, if we can get this video on 10 likes, I'll do the next series, or not series, the next episode. So, see you guys, and bye.